everyone, welcome back to another video. So today video we're gonna talk about the BMW E46 that we got about like 2 weeks ago. As I promised you guys, here it is. This is gonna be our new hopefully drift project. You guys know that I like JZ motors. We're thinking about doing 1 JZ or 2 JZ in this car, but we're still looking into like what to do and what not. So just overall, the car is very clean, doesn't have any crazy rust like the 240s. It's already registered, ready to drive. It's already 5-lug swap. I mean, it's OEM 5-lug, so yeah, the car's clean. Has some dent here by the door, but this is just little cosmetic. I'm pretty sure that I could fix this. It's nice. This is the front of the car. It's looking good. Nice. I already got a new set of wheels for this car. I got some M3 wheels, so yeah, it's looking really good. It's quiet. Inside is actually very comfortable. It's a leather everything. So yeah, BMW, you know, luxury. That's the luxury part of the car. So the carbon fiber trim that I already fit modded here, I already trimmed it up. I wrap it up very nice. It looks really good. It's already 5-speed manual, which is good. Everything works on this car, man. Like, what are we talking about? Power windows, right? AC, air conditioner, heated seats, sunroof, power sunroof. This is nice. I love it. Something that I don't have on the 240. As you guys know, I have the car currently have 174,000 miles, but it runs good. Sounds good. Have no issue. So yeah, motor is very quiet. I already got a ticket, so I parked it on the street illegally. So it is what it is. Sucks, but you know. Here's the engine bay. The motor is very quiet. This car came with the E46 came with the 6-cylinder motor. So yeah, clean strut towers, nothing crazy, nothing damaged or something. Just a little bit damaged over here because I think the previous owner had like a little pushback in the front, but that's pretty much it. Clean, everything very good. Doesn't have any issues or, you know, crazy. Now the only problem that it has is when you put it in first and second and have like a little clunk in the back. So we lifted up the other day and we took a look, and it was the differential bushing that was worn out. So this is the part that I got on Amazon. This is like $30, and also came with the tool. This is the tool that you press. You press out the differential bushing and you press the back in. This tool is about like $50. I think it's something nice to have, seeing I have so many goddamn BMWs. But yeah, here's the OEM part. I think this, I don't know why this is made in China, but whatever. Anyway, so today we're gonna replace the differential bushings on the BMW E46. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to pull all these carts out, and I'm gonna put the E46 in the garage because it's kind of cold out here. It's looking good. I like this car a lot. I really want to swap the motor. I don't know, it just because I have this guy as well. This is a 318 E36, so we're gonna talk about this car later on, next video. But yeah, we have like tons of shit going on in here. So we have the E46, we have the E36, we have the 240 convertible that I still want to do. I really want to, I don't know, cage it and drift this car. Oh my god, I just like all the cars in the world. I have so many cars. I have the 240, the S13 convertible, the 318 E36, and the 2003 Ci E46, which is, well, I haven't talked about the Mini Cooper and also the Silverado that I got. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, goddamn it, 7 cars with the BMW X1 that I traded for the X4. Damn, it's right there. What crazy. We're still sitting about, today is about 35 Fahrenheit. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a minute. So we're back. We just pulled out the car out of the garage, the 240 convertible out of the ramp, put it on the driveway, and my 240's out, and this thing is looking good. What? 240 on the street. Look at the carbon fiber hood. Shit, man. No mirrors. Car's warming up now. We might bring it up for a spin. We don't know yet. I haven't drove this car for a minute. It's gonna be fun. And also I have the 318 Ti right down the corner. Yeah, so we just pulled in the BMW E46 in the garage because we're gonna work on the differential bushings, as I mentioned before. What happened is if the bushing is cracked or worn, when you apply torque into the transmission, the bolt that holds the bushing on place, it clunk back and forth. That's why, you know, we have that clunking problem. So stay tuned. We're gonna drop the differential now. I'll catch you guys in a minute. So we run into a little issues right now because, as you guys know, I have 240s. I don't have BMWs. I never work on BMWs, but we need some 6-point ran sockets to release the drive shaft, and also the axles. So we're gonna go take a spin to AutoZone with the 240, and there we go. So before we head back, of course, some Dunkin' Donuts and cappuccinos. Okay, so for those who are working on a BMW, you will need this. This is the E-type socket, okay? That's gonna help you loosen up all the goddamn bolts, okay, from the shaft, and so on and so on and so on. It's not a 6-point, it's not a 12-point, and it's the E-type socket, okay? That's all you need. So yeah, let's get to work now. So this is the other side. This is the driver side. We already have disconnected the axle. Now you guys can see very clear here that the differential bushing is cracked and worn out. So what happened is when the motor applies torque to the differential, so that when the car can go forward or backward, this thing move. So it clunked back to the subframe, so that's why we have the little clunking noise. All what we need to do is loosen up the bolt from the drive shaft, drop down the differential, and that's pretty much, because we already got this tool to push out and push in the bushings. So a little update here with Jose. So what we did here is we loosened up everything already. We loosen up the what is this thing called? The shaft, the axle. We loosen up the drive shaft. We loosen up there is like a plate here that holds the subframe in place with the diff that was covering the diff bolt. You're gonna need a 19mm bolt here. And also you're going to need an 18mm bolt right there, right next to the subframe bolt, right? And also you're going to need a 21 over here for the differential bushings bolt. That's pretty much it. It was a pain in the ass, but we got it down. We're going to pull the diff down now. So the diff is out. What we're going to do now is we're going to use the tool that we got to pull out the differential bushings. It's a pretty simple tool. This thing go over here. You unlock this. Let's go over here. And then just go over here. This is to press it in, I believe. And this one here to, I think it's to press it out. I'm not really sure. Yeah, let's go over here and just go over here and you lock it up. What? So we got the differential bushings out. Yes, fuck. This is good. Yeah. It too is fucking good. Yeah. Sí. Ahí en la maleta roja. La grasita esa que usamos para la suspensión de él. Bueno, sí. Esa misma sirve. So here it is, guys. Yes, we got the diff bushing out. This tool is fucking amazing, guys, so I highly recommend it. This is the part. It's a BMW 3067. And also come with the one to push it in. I think this is like this to press the bushing in. So it's amazing. I highly recommend it. We're gonna put the diff bushing out. You see that the diff bushing is pretty worn out. So it's cracked here. That's what is clunking. So yeah. Alright, so here's the diff bushing that we got new. We're just gonna lube it a little bit. Lo mismo. Ahora es para el otro lado. Sí, aquí está todo. ¿Cuántas? So a little update here. So this is the differential bushing. It's nice. And this is the old part that is broken and it's worn out. This thing have like probably like 15 years or so. And this is the tool that you need. The part number is 3067 from BMW. Very nice tool, very useful. Everything is just plug and play. It was easier than I expected. I think that's the easiest. I think the hardest part is to pull the diff out and whatnot. But we got it down. Now what's left to do is we have to put everything back in, and then that's pretty much. And yeah. So here's the second day. Damn, the car is looking good. New wheels, new tires. We fixed the differential bushing problem. No more clunking. What? Looks good. Big difference. Here, this is the stock rims. And this is the 17s, the M3 wheels. Damn, looking fire. It looks good.